In this video, I will share how to make a woman aroused and willing to do anything you ask. But first, let me remind you, never use this trick for negative purposes because it's very dangerous and often used by playboys and playgirls to ruin other people's lives for personal gain. I dare to share this trick because I believe you are a responsible guy. Okay, to make a woman aroused by you, interested in you, and willing to do anything for you, here's how. Learn the most personal things about that woman, then use that information as your weapon. For example, when you approach a girl during your courtship, you should often prompt her to tell stories. This step is actually very easy, because fundamentally, women are creatures who enjoy storytelling and being listened to. So, you just need to ask, then be silent and listen. Gather as much information as possible about the girl until you know what she lacks in her life. After that, show the girl that you can provide what she lacks. For example, if you find out that the girl comes from a broken home and has been abandoned by her father since childhood, then you just need to provide things that a father usually gives to his daughter, like attention and protection occasionally. Have serious conversations with her, ask her about her future plans as a father would ask his daughter, or when the girl is sad and has problems, show her that you can protect her and help her find solutions to her problems. If you can consistently provide things like this to the girl, I guarantee she will submit to you because indirectly, you make the girl think that she needs you, and she doesn't want to lose something she needs in you. But there are two notes you need to pay attention to before using this trick. First, you must still prioritize yourself even though you often try to learn about the girl by seeking information about her. Don't let your time be spent solely on this. The most important thing is to establish yourself because this is what differentiates you as a quality man from a low-class playboy. When approaching girls, stay focused on improving yourself. The best way to get a girl is to have high quality, whereas playboys only focus on girls because their ultimate goal is pleasure, like having fun in bed. Remember, you're not a playboy, you're a quality man. Second, don't give instant pleasure to the girl. For example, don't give her an expensive latest model smartphone because you know she can't get it from her family. Never do this. What you give to the girl should be something she needs, not what she wants. If you're used to giving instant pleasure to the girl, eventually, she will take advantage of you. You'll be made into a love slave and a walking ATM. Beware. Once again, I remind you, this trick is indeed very effective for conquering a girl, but like a double-edged sword, if you don't use it wisely as I've explained, this trick can hurt you, ruin your life, and your future. I'm sure you're a quality man, and you surely understand the points I've conveyed. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope it's useful.